Alright folks, North Co Audits here at the Weld County Southwest Service Center on this nice sunny Friday afternoon. Do a little scenery, walk through the parking lot. Got a few vehicles over here I want to check out, and then we'll go inside. Got a fisherman over there. We're here in lovely Weld County, Colorado. Sheriff's vehicles. This is Unit 441. This is 458. This is 460. That's weird. Got a remote control up there. Wonder what that's for. Interceptor. And they just leave this one running. This is 472. Well, that one's got some front end damage on it. Interesting. This is 443. In God we trust, but no flags. That's interesting. Let's go back here. It's like their Sally port's closed. Cameras up there. Take a second to appreciate Old Glory, and of course the Colorado state flag. Yeah, nice little lake over here. People fishing. That's cool. There's a real specific reason why I want to do an audit here, besides the obvious. I came here to get my tags for my license plates, and I noticed this lady had a Blue Lives Matter flag hung up in her little cubicle area, and when I asked her about it, she was real uppity about it and said my father's a police officer. And I asked her if she understood if that was a violation of flag laws. And she just kind of shrugged her shoulders. There's no big deal. Just a dismal attitude. So we'll go all the way around before we go in. I'm not sure what this side of the facility is. It's a combination building. It's the sheriff department or a satellite sheriff department and the motor vehicle department. and of course county services. And if you can hear my boots squeaking in the background, I apologize. It can be distracting. I need new boots. Go up here. What's up here? Public health. Well, I guess we found out what this side of the building's for. If you need a birth certificate in Weld County, you can come here and get one. Come up here and see what kind of signage they have. Appointments are recommended. Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate that. On this side, no pets allowed. Proof of insurance is required. Service dogs only. Child welfare and sheriff's office. Public restrooms are that way. Child welfare. Little history. These are all these little towns up in northern Colorado here. Large meeting room. Mother of 8 counties. They have a lot of signs here. I'm not going to bore you with all these. I lived in that little crap hole town for a little while. Another entrance to child welfare. Another meeting room. 1956 Weld County map. That's kind of cool. There's the sheriff's office. That's the break room. Somebody's on break right now. Sheriff's office. That must be their door to the Sally Port. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
No, we just bought our house like 2 months ago, so I haven't had a chance to get there and change it. Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't really usually have anything. I would just take time off here and there to go over there. Okay. Oh, yeah. Mhm. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Okay. All right.
I'm just waiting here for my FOIA report or FOIA form.
Okay. Thank you. I think I made a point when I came down here and did it some years ago, 3 years ago, whatever it was. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Hello. Do you guys have FOIA request forms?
Do we have what?
FOIA request forms?
What's a FOIA?
It's a records request, Federal Freedom of Information Act
No,
forms. You guys don't have.
not here. Do you want records or something?
Is there a different department for records?
Yeah, it's up in Greeley.
Oh, it's actually all the way up in Greeley?
Yeah, I don't give out records here.
Okay, okay. Do you guys have a compliment or complaint forms?
Compliment or complaint? Let me see if, we don't have any compliment ones. We have
They're-
complaint ones.
They're not dual purpose?
No, they're not. Sorry about that.
I'll take 2 complaint forms.
Okay, let me see if I can, I have to print them down.
Okay. Thank you. Some leaflets. Various forms of information. Crime Stoppers. Cops should take their own advice. Criminal tyrants. Mr. Steve Reams. Some ladies missing. That sucks. I still need a better camera. I'd like to be able to get all that